to the Women Fam. Happy Thanksgiving to everybody out there. Everyone that's celebrating Thanksgiving in Canada. Happy Thanksgiving to pretty much everyone all over the world in general. So those who do celebrate it, those who don't, happy Thanksgiving either way. And today's question is, what are you thankful for? For me, I am thankful for just being able to wake up every day, to be alive, healthy, and well. Sometimes I am not at my best, but I'm still grateful that all my limbs are working. And like I said, for as long as you have life, you can achieve anything that you put your mind to. And every day is a new day to wake up and celebrate and be thankful for the life that you have and for the great people that you have around you. So my question to you all today is, what are you guys thankful for? I am thankful for my health. First of all, thankful for God. And I am thankful for my family and my close friends that have always been there with me. Whether you're here with me today or you've been with me through the rough, the good, and the bad times, I am thankful for each and every one of my friends and family that has come into my life. Whether you're still in my life, come and have gone, because I have learned lessons from each and every one of you that I have taking with me, and I will still continue to take that with me into the future as well. So I hope you guys are having a great Thanksgiving. So I'm about to go start cooking. Yes, so let's go and get in the kitchen and shut down that kitchen with me today. We are in the kitchen with my Madusa girlfriend over here. So, oh Lord. Hi, how you doing? I'm just like, we're here cooking Thanksgiving dinner together. So yeah, I just figured we'll let you guys join in on the festivities.
What do we have for Thanksgiving?
Huh?
What do we have?
What do we have? Too much to count, and we're running out of time. I need the hammer. Babe! I want to see if you can find the hammer.
The hammer is here, open.
You have one down there?
Maria, open this one. That is the top one. Next one. This one.
No, we have to go find it. I'll find it. Yeah, we'll take me a look at it. I'm a woman. Memphis, come in. Grab the rice downstairs. Yes, Memphis, go and grab the rice. Can you grab me the rice, please? Go. No, I'm sure not telling him I'm Memphis. You see things doing something? What have you guys done from morning? But yeah. Get up. Oh, in the morning, I was still cleaning in the morning. So. No, I mean like since you wake up after 11 o'clock. So. I didn't wake up after 11 o'clock. I woke up before 11 o'clock. Whatever time you wake up. So I was reading, and then we took my phone at night. Weather talking. I'm not sure if this is what I'm asking. I need to go to the back a little. Yeah. Yes, babe. Take this one. I gotta take these. Very fun chocolate. And butter. What is that about it? And then we'll get the apple.
Bella, bring my phone.
Yeah, next minute you say, yeah, bye.
Where is
But
it?
I said, oh my brother invited me to go somewhere, and all of a sudden now me are calling to find out what time is coming in.
Baby,
Now they're just show for you.
Well, I don't know, you didn't just come. Okay, Rose.
What?
Okay, Rose.
I don't like that.
told your friend you're not okay? And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay? Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
Alright, so I'm about to go and shower, get ready now for, yeah, Thanksgiving. I hope you guys actually enjoyed seeing, you know, how everything was prepared. As you see, it's a busy day, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. Going to, yeah, happy Thanksgiving to you guys. So I am going to go get dressed right now, and then we'll be back. Alright, so we are here. We're about to eat. So let me show you the festivities of the food wagwan. So, huh?
I heard you guys called my name. What did I do?
Salad. What is all of this? Alright. I'm gonna come into the table. They're gonna blast food. Huh? Wait, say you're gonna blast the table? No. Yeah? Alicia. Come, Alicia. Help me unravel the stuff. I'm gonna show all they did not see about Ray. What's the command? Oh, your stomach? What you say? You look on the food and you gain about 10 pounds? Oh, gosh. Huh? Oh, you have the stuff? Alright. Okay, so that is Thanksgiving dinner. Well, two ends of the table.
I told you I did not sign a release.
Oh, and we also have goat here, and don't forget we got soup over here, so go on. Yeah, look at manish water, gravy, and we got rice over here as well. So that's the last of the food, guys. Time for bless up the table.
I love it. Somebody bless the table, please.
Water.
But it's not
Hey
gonna come
guys,
tomorrow.
so
It's gonna come
welcome back. Well, we had a great Thanksgiving. It was amazing, and it's late night. So
It's 1 a.m.
late night. We say after 1 in the morning, it looks like people that have no bed.
No.
So yeah, I hope you guys. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to tell a friend to come and join the William fan, where it's always a vibes over here. And we will catch you in the next one. Stay blessed, guys.
They are not our fears we see. No one will left. We can't sink on the Titanic. Fight for you, you fight for me. Die for you. Remember when them tell us that me gonna be the wife for you. That in the past how we pass it just like an interlude. How they meet how them greet is like real life an interview. That in the days I know it's every day. You want my